Okay, everybody, let's get started for today's workload, right? Excuse me. All right, I'm ready. I fixed the problem that I was having yesterday. Emotion. Oh boy. Oh, just open a new tab. Okay. Didn't realize that. My bad. All right. I think we're good to go. Hold on. Let me make sure I'm not muted. Okay, I'm not. Cool. Then, excuse me. Here we go. So, working on this storage and working on this particular page where I was doing this form validation and conditional appearances of the fields. Okay, so it closes again. And if I click on another section of the window or like focus out and come back, there's no re-rendering, which is cool. Okay, I guess we're all set here. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, I finished that yesterday. And let's, why am I still here? Okay, let's exit this and exit this. Okay, there's a lot of changes. Oh my God. Okay, access token, yabba. Okay, let's go one by one. Out models in it. Okay, we just created that so out models have their own models isolated into that particular app. And I'm gonna say access token moved from models to API out application. Okay. We created the test module, and then the test module. Okay, I think that test module needs working. Excuse me. Test views, and I have these two test files. Okay, let's kind of like, oh shit, I think I had something there that was broken. I don't know what it is. Fuck. Let's remove all the prints that I added here. Warmer. Broad. Yeah, I gotta get rid of all these. Not in this one, but still. And let's see if there's any like print in this one. 0. Cool. I like it. No prints there. Okay, test authentication weird. So when we're doing this, these are the ones I wrote like very recently. So. Okay, I want to open this to the right. Where the fuck is this? It shows up here. Okay. Okay. Let's make this a little smaller. I think we should be good. We have one error. What's the error? Core.tests. Ah, yeah, that's the one that, yeah, there you go. This fucker broke. I run autoflake 8 and it removed all the stuff like in the things. I gave it the wrong. Okay. So I think I'm gonna try to run the tests in this one. So let me try. Docker exec it API PyTest test views test views. Let's just run all of them here. Not sure if this is gonna work, but cannot import name API cred. API cred. Okay, yeah, that needs to go because it doesn't exist anymore. Core tests in is from base test core test mocks. Mock token. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna see API cred. Jesus. Okay. Core tests mocks. Okay, import from core model. Oh, we were like imitating the API cred. That's the problem. Okay. I'm gonna carry over these tests one by one. Let's do this. Authentication endpoint, authentication view. Okay. And then here we are doing API out index, the same thing. We are testing for get, and it's doing the same thing. So we just get rid of this one. We don't need this. Without authorization header, header and format. Okay, when it's missing, it is failing, which is good. Fail on invalid header value. Okay, we already have that covered. Fail on missing API key. Okay. This will fail. So we have that already covered. Okay. I'm just going to get rid of the things that's like redundant or duplicate because we don't need that. Client resource, yeah, we've got that. So set. Invalid signature does that. On valid signature. Okay, that we need to provide. I'm just going to do like a cut here. Sweet. Let's move this over here. Okay. Payload. Let's call this payload. Cred. Call this cred. And then this is payload. And this is going to be cred. we're just going to call this URL. I think we are set. So I can get this entirely out. Sweet. Okay, let's run this one more time, hoping that it's gonna use, and then just this authentication file. Core test mocks. Okay, we're gonna fix that. Core tests mocks. Core tests mocks. Oh yeah, that's no longer a thing, unfortunately, for that. Right. I'm glad you agree. Okay. Cool. So we're gonna have a bunch of errors here. Mock API cred. We don't need this anymore. We are not using this anymore. We are using credential. So wherever this is used, we can. Well, all right. So our test actually ran, and we are set. Although, let me do something here. I think I'm gonna do the clear on this one. Cool. Because I want to see the chat. Okay. So that's actually a valid response, and I hate this fucking flashing thing on my terminal. Okay, so it's happening right here. This here, file the API key, that's missing. So what I'm supposed to do, test the request client source must be one of the expected values. Invalid resource. Yeah, this is supposed to be just API key. There we go. Let's run this again. Authentication API key missing. Okay. I like how clear exact spot where the error is happening. It just lets me know. Error code, this one right here. I want to see what exactly it's returning. Why won't it show me what it is returning? What the heck? Oh, I think I gotta do, it is another thing called, but I forgot, was it T? No, I forgot what the thing is called. Hold on, let's see. Or is it V? Hold on, I think it's V, 1V. Yeah. Where is, and I know you're supposed to print it. Where the fuck is my print? Still no print. Okay, I'm gonna say PyTest Print to console. It's not printing. How do I print to console? PyTest. I know it's a flag. I forgot what it was. I don't see my print, even though it fails. And I'm doing the assertion, I'm print right before the assertion. Oh shit, this is not the spot. This is failing somewhere else. 56. I am at 66. Jesus. Oh yeah, it's failing right here. Because, hold on, what are we supposed to test here? Invalid UUID. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be just API key. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I was looking at the wrong place. So it wasn't even reaching me. So that's my bad. Okay, so we're good. It passed all of it. Cool, 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 cool. We don't even need to print anything because it's passive. Sweet. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna do this thing here. Swagger auto generate documentation. Django DRF. Documenting your API. Yeah. Yeah, I love this. So I kind of want to make sure that this will go through properly, right? And the endpoints I'm creating, I want to know ahead of time if I need to make any changes to utilize, be able to utilize this properly. Let's see what this is. This is a simple server pet store server. You can find out more about Swagger. For this example, you can use the API key special key to test authorization filter. Okay. Pet ID require. Mm-hmm. I don't understand this. Why am I supposed to download this editor? I don't get this, bro. Swagger Code Gen. Is that the one? Tools, Pro, Open Source, Swagger Code Gen. Okay, let's see what this is about. Cancel your build process by generating server styles and client SDKs for an API defined with the Open API formula known as Swagger specification, so your team can focus better on your API implementation adoption. I don't want to cloud in Swagger Hub. I don't. I might need to watch a tutorial on this to kind of like see what's going on. Let's check this out. I'm kind of curious what this is doing. Okay, this project has 3 goals. Extract as much schema information from the RF as possible. Okay, provide flexibility to make the schema usable in the real world, not only toy examples. Generate a schema that works well with the most popular client generators. The code is a heavily modified fork of the DRF Open API generator, which was lacking all of the below listed features. Serializer model as components of extend schema decorator, but for customization of API view, views as function-based views and parameters. Yep. Django polymorphic, Django REST polymorphic. Okay, simple Json Web Token, Django Auth Token, experiment with Json Web. Okay, for more with documentation. All right, let's just see like a getting license. Free class BSD. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna look at this separately. Let me just get this finished today, and then I might get myself more informed on this afterwards because yep, gonna need that. Okay, I think I'm gonna come back to this, and hopefully it's not gonna be like too difficult to do because I remember using those decorators before to generate like Swagger documentation. I wasn't too much of a fan of it though, but let's see. Okay, can you show me what it is? Oh, it's this. What? Why isn't it opening it though? KTO! Are you adored? You're adorable. Bro, you're gonna make me blush. Okay, I think we are okay here. So let's go see. This is done. And I removed that particular function and method entirely. So we're good. All right. Second, test fail for inactive credential status. That's a really valid fucking function. Let's go completely carry it over. Okay, actually, we're gonna have to do this thing here. We're gonna say def setup and then self.credential equals my credential. Thank you. All right. Name, user. Actually, let's just fucking do this here. We don't need to like. There we go. Cool. How are we doing, KTL? Okay, so basically we're gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do K, and then this one here. So we should run that particular. What the fuck? It just passed? No. Good, and you? I'm doing pretty good today. I had a pretty decent day yesterday with the work, and I was struggling with like a certain JavaScript schema filter on my form, and I was able to figure out why it was failing. So I feel accomplished, you know. So today I'm hoping to sanitize these and then, you know, like make sure everything is good. Your display is bugging, or is it your terminal? It's the terminal. Especially like specifically that window is bugging for some reason, and I don't know why. Everything else seems like perfectly normal, but that one, it bitches. I don't know what the problem is. We can use this, although I don't like this that much. Yeah, there you go. We can just do it over here, but it's not going to be that readable, right? So like it actually runs, but I think what I gotta do, I need to update my Python to use what you call this thing, to use the Python that's inside the container. Let me actually get it out of the way. Settings and environment, project, file, project interpreter. Okay. So we have this local one here that I created with the thing, and then, yeah, on Docker Compose, no server, no, it exists. Integration with Docker, click plus, key, Docker, name, Docker, Unix socket, Docker, virtual machine path. Connection successful. Okay, I don't know what is going on here, but configuration files. I'm guessing this is the one it's asking. Select service. There you go. Now it knows. Environment variables. Include system environment variables. Not necessarily the one that I want, but no, I want it from the fucking. Okay, this doesn't matter. Cancel. This is fine. So we're going to say next, connecting the document, building Compose Service API, recreating API DB, recreating DB, API DB. It is still create and configure a new target. Yours is going, oh yeah, still the same message. Okay. Okay, I guess there we go. All the things it needed. There we go. Okay. I'm guessing this is not the one, but let's see. Okay, so it knows that it's getting it from there, which is good. It got all the things. Let's say apply. So I think we should be okay. So now, if I say run this test, shit, the thing disappeared here. Maybe I need to restart this fucker. Indexing. Oh yeah, there you go. It is still doing the thing. Okay. We're gonna give it some time so it can do its thing. All right, so we're good, and our thing is back. If I do this, run test with coverage, modify run configuration. Shit. Target, custom settings, environment, offer Python interpreter, Docker compose. Thank you. Fuck. Let's say okay. I'm just gonna say I don't know what the fuck is happening here, but let's see. Instantiating tests. Okay. The thing is, my Docker is still running, so why would you need to do that? It gave it so 500. I guess it broke my shit. Docker compose logs. Let's say API. Not such file. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, of course. Brother. I feel like PyCharm broke my shit. Oh, hold on. I think something is broken, so it can't initiate it. Docker exec. Hold on. I think I have like a secondary thing. Cat make file. Make server. There you go. I have a secondary one here, so let's just run this. No such container web. Blech. Okay, let's update that Docker. Is server Docker exec ID API. It should be good. Make server. What the fuck? Why does it think that it's trying to run that? Unable to start containers. Not such file directory unknown. Exited 4 minutes ago. API DB admin there. What the fuck just happened to my shit? This fucker, bro. PyCharm fucked shit up. Okay. Can I stop this? Show ignored. Show past. Like, how the fuck? Okay, there. Just. Clean. Grab exit. Okay, make clean. Let's just do this. Make clean. Okay. Create it. PyCharm help us with the with it. So they make. This should do our thing, hopefully. Not sure what's happening with this, but I don't know. It's not good. Bro skills. Slower than usual this time. I don't know why. Okay, so up for 1 second. Let's still up, still up, still up, still up, still up. Nothing is dead. Okay, so I think we should be good. When I reload this, everything should still work. I guess I'm just gonna run the fucking test manually. Jesus. Okay, we're gonna do docker exec IT API out tests dot test. What is this called? Test authentication view. Fail. No module name test authentication view. API out tests. API out test or test views. Test views. Found 2 tests, ran 2 tests, and it passed. Okay, so we're good. And if I'm coming down here, I'm just gonna say like print, just I wanna see it like running. Okay, let's run this again. I'm here. Okay, so this is actually running and passing with no problem. So we're good. And it's returning us to 400. I want to see what the response is. Right? Say from print import p format. I'm going to say here res. I'm going to do p format request.json here. Not Rick. There we go. Okay. So let's go again. Cool. Inactive API credential. Yeah, we should actually do that. Inactive API credential. I want to go see where this is being raised. Yeah, there shouldn't be an assertion here. There should be an actual thing that's raised. Okay, so we're going to go and create an actual authentication header in this exceptions here. For that, we're going to do authentication exceptions, right? This one, authorization header, IP key missing. We're going to say here, we're going to say class out credential inactive. That makes more sense. Raise when a credential status is not active. Oh shit, we already have it. We already have it. Yeah. Let's not reinvent the wheel there. Good thing we have it. So let's just take this. Here, we're gonna say, if not, credential dot is active, raise this guy here. Thank you, import, thank you. Okay, so Alt F12. Okay. If I do this again, it should still pass. 403 is not 400. Actually, that makes more sense. Inactive API credential, which is good. Usually is not in active status. Okay, we're gonna say copy, and here we're gonna do this is 403, which is good. And we're gonna say, aside from that, self.assert equal rack.json.get we want the error code to be that. I like it. Okay, let's run this again. Alt F12. Alt F12. But I can't. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong fucking key. Alt F12. Run it again. This time it should pass. There we go. This is good. Cool. This is nice, isn't it? Okay. Can I do this? Alt F12, but like do it as like a full screen, close up close. View mode, dock pinned, dock unpinned, window. Okay, so if I do this, oh, this is cool. Okay, I can do this, y'all. So like it's more readable, right? This is okay. This is not bad. And I don't think that's like flickering when I open this, because this is a PyCharm window and it's got no problem with it. I just don't like the fucking look of it, but what to do? Bash fish settings. So if I do this, terminal, start directory, shell path, I can change it to fish. Thank you. That's what I want. Okay. JavaScript. Yo, how we doing, my dude? How goes it? Okay, this is not bad. You know, I'm enjoying that. I can just pop this up. You're fine, and you are so sad. What's going on, my dude? What's bothering you? How to change terminal font color in PyCharm. And the color scheme, console colors, standard output. Okay, so there is apparently a thing. Editor, color scheme. Mem punish indiscipline case against me. Huh? I have no idea what you're trying to say. Editor, editor, live code is. I don't see anything about terminals here. Am I? What? Hold up. Color scheme, editor, color scheme, editor, color scheme. Ion language debugger, the types. What the? Console colors. Terminal. Man put indiscipline case on me and 2 argument. Ma'am, who's ma'am? Like, what's ma'am mean? Ma'am meaning your mother, or ma'am meaning like some lady? Because the later one spelled with ma'am, like M-A apostrophe A-M. I don't know what ma'am really means. Shit, I can't see anything now. I think I made it worse. I made it worse. Okay, now I can see it. Scheiße. Okay. Either way, what I'm going to do here is, I think we are set with this one. I can actually close this one, duplicate the code fragment. We're going to make this called just payload. Okay, yabba yabba, and this is good. Cool. All right. Next order of business. Fail for inactive user status. Ooh. It's a really valid case. So we're going to take this out of here. And there's nothing left on this file now. So I can actually delete this fucker. Right? And delete this, please. Okay. And add this to here. User suspend. We're just going to call this payload, API key, request client source payload. And I'm going to call this payload again. I don't want to do this on mouse. Okay. 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 I'm going to call this res, and then I'm going to say from preprint import p format, and then print right? We're gonna say res and then p format, and I'm gonna do res.json because I want to see what it is that's returning, right? Right. I am glad you agree. Let's can't see shit. Can I reset this? Can't reset this. Uh, I don't know what's going on. This is really fucking annoying. Let me run this. Failed for inactive user status. Client account is inactive. Inactive account. Okay, so we are actually getting that, but it's returning 400. Yeah, I should not be doing that. The 403 should actually return 403. So let's go where this is getting raised. It's getting raised right here. Cool, 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 cool. And I don't see this code being mentioned anywhere else. So let's go generate a new one. So in the core exceptions, account exceptions. Okay, we can do it over here. User account inactive. Raise when request user is user account is inactive. And then we're gonna come here, we're gonna take this, we're gonna put this over here. This is gonna be our thing, and this is gonna be our thing, and then we're gonna say client account is inactive. Okay, I'm just gonna say client account is inactive. Client account is inactive. My typing is absolutely horrific. All right, so now we're gonna do here, instead of doing assertions, if any of the following is there, we're just gonna say raise this guy, import it, and then I'm just gonna take this here, copy. I don't really need this, and then just get rid of this. And then I'm gonna import this guy, exceptions. Cool, we are fine. Okay, so if I run the test again, it should work just perfectly fine, right? Right, I am glad you agree. All right, it passes. I like it. Cool. I like that it's coming together so much nicer. Yeah, we got like 0 assertions here. So this here actually is not needed anymore because we don't have any assert. Yeah, we don't have any more asserts. So we're good. We don't need that. This is cool. Baby. All right, let's run this again. I just want to run all the tests inside out. Let's see. 3 tests and it's passed, and I like it. Cool. So the authentication is completely done. I'm just going to do this one more time. We have activate file lib. I'm going to do I sort everything. Okay, it fixed our imports, reorganized them properly, nice and readable. We should be good. Yabba yabba. Okay. Yeah, one thing here. Yeah, this here is gonna work, right? Because we're doing the authentication type. We are doing this, so we're gonna have either or. It's gonna be either or. Yeah. So coming down, we will be having a decent time on this one, and we should be good. Cool. I'm gonna do placate. Let's just check everything. App storage, too many blank lines. App storage utils. Let's do storage. What line is it? 45. Just go to 45. Too many. There we go. And then same thing. Expected 2, but got 1. 79. 79. Yes. And the other one is what? 79. It became 80, 95. There you go. And then no new line at the end of the file. So we're just gonna do this. And then we're gonna do this. Cool. I like it. Sweet. Run this again. API utils, too many blank lines on 13. API utils. Okay, API utils 13 right here. Okay. Let's do this again. It's gonna expected 2 blank lines, found 1 on line 14. What the? So what the fuck is your problem then? 80 too many blank lines. Oh, I was looking at the wrong place. Oh, right. Oh, I'm sorry. Upload views 444. Config design but never used. 444. Upload views. We're gonna do upload views 444. Config self.config. Oh yeah, why we are doing this here? Yeah, we are accessing it, but we are not using it, so let's get rid of it. Good call. And then 548. 548, I think it's between 547. Oh yeah, this is okay. We don't care about that. Okay, and then file part. 6, expected to plug file part. Like this here, why? Like this is throwing me off, motherfucker. It looks like there's 2 lines there, but it's not 2 lines. Out of views, too many lines. What line was it? 107. should be good to go. So authentication, too many blank lines, too many blank lines, too many blank lines. 1289 124. 12. Oh no, that's not it. 12. There we go. The other one was 89. It became 88. And then the other one was 124. Now it's just end of the line. So we're gonna put this thing here, and then I think we should be back to 0. Cool. Nothing there. This is good. And then let's just do another ISort to make sure, okay, nothing needs updating. So our code right now is update with Pepe, and everything is sorted properly. So we're fine. Thank God, we're fine. Okay. Huh. So, what did I... Okay, this is good. Access token out migrations, this is good. And then init view, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is just test stuff. Apps, we just put the name, URL. What the heck did we do here? Oh yeah, we started using the class-based view, so we're good. We are not going to be dealing with that. And then I want to make sure there is no index here. There isn't. Oh, it's gone. We are using the DRF class view here, so we should be fine. File object. I didn't even know we had us just changes to the thing. Okay. And then middleware's authenticate request. We are all good. Access token, authorization header missing. Okay, we are okay, this assert here needs to go. We should do that. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna use the restroom and I'll be back. I'm also gonna check on my kitty. My fluffy boy. Where's my phone? Shit, I don't know where my phone is. Where is my phone? Okay. Guys, it's getting cold up in this bitch. Canada cold. Cold Canada. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to handle this. I don't like shivering very much. Jesus. Okay, let's put the phone to the charge. I think I should put this zipper up. Cool. And then put my headset up again. Okay. Okay. Invalid access token. Where are we getting this? Yeah, we have a thing, but like we don't have an invalid. Let's create this exception here. Authentication. Invalid access token. So I want to see if this raises any errors. So many fucking exceptions is raising, but yeah, we gotta go one by one. So invalid access token. I feel like it shouldn't even come there. Yeah, because it's returning after doing everything already. Yeah. Yeah, this should go. Okay. And then now. Yeah, this here, I think it shouldn't be the case. We're just gonna do this here, put everything inside try, and then accept, and then one of them is going to be access token that does not exist, right? And we're gonna take everything here. Okay, I'm gonna put a pass here for now. Okay, this is good. Alrighty, so instead of saying filter, we're just gonna say get access token is access token. Maybe my naming is not so good, but I guess we are fine. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so we don't need to do this. This is gone. Cool. So now we can create 3 different things. So access token expired, canceled, and suspended. Cool. So we can actually like do this now. Okay. It takes away from the duplication. Okay. Let's go with the access token suspended, right? Authentication exceptions, access token suspended. And then we're just going to take this here. Let's go group these things, right? Access token. Access token suspended. Raise when access token used in request is request suspended. Okay, so auth models access token, right? So let's just be more thing here, be more precise. Auth models access token. Okay, so here, in here, we're just gonna say access token suspended, and then we're gonna return 401. Access token is suspended. Okay, so let's try with the first one. Here, we're gonna say, right, if not, actually not, if access token object dot is suspended, raise, and it's as easy as that. Cool. We can get rid of this line. Sweet. And then this one, it's canceled. We're gonna go and create canceled. Let's go. This token canceled. This doesn't feel like this is, I'll be using this, but I'm kind of like future-proofing it anyways when access token is in request, used in request, canceled. Yeah, canceled means that like they canceled themselves, I think. Yeah. So still, it's good to have that as an option just in case. Access token canceled. John jailed. Canceled. Okay. We are just one away right now. After this, we're just going to say here, if, right, access token object dot is canceled, raise. Cool. This is gone. Now the next one here is expired. Ooh, this is one that we're going to be using a lot, most likely. Now we're going to do this. Okay, 1, 2. This is a class. We need additional spaces in between. Cool. One, two. Cool. We're good. So now access token expired. Access token expired. Access token expired. Expired. Okay, we have additional thing line in the bottom. We're gonna say if access token object dot expired, raise this, and then we're just gonna get rid of this one here. And then we're just gonna return this. And then if access token doesn't exist, we're gonna say again, we should return a proper error message for that as well. Let's go do this here. And then we're going to return this access token not found, right? Then access to, oh shit, canceled, expired. We're going to say expired, make sure that this thing is access token does not exist. access token not found. Access token not found. Okay. So we're going to go back to on this one here again in the utils. We are just going to say raise this one instead. Cool. So we should be okay. And what I'm going to do here now is run the isort and flakate on these guys. Okay, it fixed that already. So cool. This is nicely ordered. And then I'm just going to run flakate. Let's see. Expected 2 blank lines on authentication exceptions on line 96. Looks like I missed one over there. Yeah, I keep doing that. And then the other one is utils, too many blank lines on line 54. 54. Yeah, that makes sense. How do I remove this? I don't know what I fucking hit here. Bookmark F11. No, thanks. Too many blank lines. 53. Still? Oh, they are functions, not classes. Blech. Blech. Cool. We're good. Okay. So going here step by step, I think we made pretty good progress. Okay. Yeah, these are going to go soon. So we are not going to be like needing this at all coming down the line. Like this is going to like in my to-do. All these are going to like all these are gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna like completely revamp these. So we're good on this one. But I think I'm just gonna add a to-do. I'm gonna say Justin, I'm gonna say revamp below into a single client manager. Cool. So we're good on that one. And moving down, exceptions. We are good on the exceptions. We did not do anything with the locale, and then middlewares. We're not doing anything. Excuse me. Migrations on the thing, and then this. Okay. Let me check my email real quick, y'all. I don't. That's all right, I guess. Okay. Yeah, my goal is here, like going down, I want to like get rid of all the assertion errors everywhere. Okay. So we were at core locale migrations models. We did change to here. We got rid of API cred and we got rid of one more. I forgot its name. But yeah, those two are gone. Actually, I can see here in Git st real quick. It's going to say deleted. It's going to be like file app core models. I definitely deleted the API cred. I deleted one more. I just don't remember which one. I can do this git st grab models. API cred is deleted, and storage. Okay, yeah, those two, because they were redundant. Okay, they moved into their own applications, so no need to like have two of them there. There's gonna be like a few more like removals, cleaning up some code, but they're gonna be like next. After this one, I'm gonna create an ASCII server. I'm gonna run everything on an ASCII server and see how it works or if it gives me any problems whatsoever. Okay. So models, there's nothing else here. Also, like the user model is gonna go into the user application. So that's gonna like change as well. There's nothing here. Template tags, tests. Mocks changed. Base, we changed that one. That was a problem. Mocks, we changed the credential and we removed the API cred. Okay, that makes sense. Test API cred model. Actually, this can go now. We don't necessarily need this. So let me just delete this guy. Cool. Test utils, test secret manager. Yeah, that's something that we created recently. So it's going to stay utils, functions, and secret manager. So we're good on this one. Okay. Credentials, no changes in here as far as I can tell. Actually, let's go check git st file credentials. Yeah, there's nothing there. And then the next one is dashboard. We have not made any changes there whatsoever. Nothing. Cool. And then, yeah, we didn't touch that one. We touched the storage. So let's go check the storage. Storage. Okay, so we added a utils file. Cool. We removed the client init folder entirely, and it got moved into the utils file. And then storage configuration.py got modified. Okay, let's go actually do a little diff in here, right? See what happened. That's the client init py being moved. And then storage configuration, we imported settings and models. We imported a new field called region name that I previously missed and added it as a field. We imported array in storage configuration, create update serializers. Yeah, we did some modifications here, and we started using the new client for secret managing and storage managing. And then we included region name in our response, and then we added a validator, and then we get a provider there. Okay, that was good. Yabba. Okay. Client name, okay, region name, then I get region name. And the way that we are getting our data now is different, and we change how we are using test connection. Region name, get provider, okay, that's cool. Cool. We gave them like actual names so we can reference them straight up. Easier to read. And then in the utils, that's where we moved our client into. Cool. The ones that we are providing right now are the two. Cool. Okay. Secrets manager, that's also good. Import client, and then in our review, we are using the secret manager.delete secret parameter true. Okay, that's entity modification, and then we've changed the response. Instead of using the DRF response class, we are using our own class that has a standardized API response to generate that data. Cool. Okay, serialize the data, that's good. That's what we're doing. And we update our client because we are using the new one. So we're good. And that's the end of it. So everything here looks good to me. And that also includes the tests. Although we did not run any tests, I'm guessing they're gonna all fail, but let me check if I can run the tests here. I'm gonna do docker exec pytest, and I'm gonna say storage. Let's see. Module not found. Okay, so I think we can update that one here. Test storage client number 9. Let's go fix that. Test utils, test utils. Okay. Okay, storage.utils import client. Okay, now it's gonna fail for sure because we're gonna have to update a few things. Oh my god, so many failures. This is crazy. Okay, so many of them failed, but I'm just gonna get this one here. Okay, just one. I just want to like run one so I can go with it one by one. Oh my god, my fucking terminal won't stop bitching like crazy. Okay, what about this? It makes the whole thing shake now. Oh my god, bro. I might end up having to like move my streaming setup to this computer just because of this. I don't understand this shit. It only happens on this computer. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Jesus. Okay. So utils import client and then client test storage connection. So this is going to be test connection. Test connection. So is that the one that we are running right now? Test S3 bucket connection. No. Let's actually start with this. Okay, selected one, we're going to see, and it failed. Storage.client is not found. Where exactly are you trying to import that? Doesn't make any sense. Okay. Oh, I am doing a mock, and it can't do the fucking mock. Okay, storage utils. There you go. Yeah, that makes sense. That actually makes a lot of sense right now. So we're gonna come down to here where I'm doing the utils, and then the AWS. Okay, S3 manager. That is specifically what we need to change. I think now it should be good. Okay, whatever. It failed, but it's a whole different thing now. Unexpected keyword argument user. User, client, user. Provider, authentication type, container name, key, secret. Ooh. We're good on this one. Region name. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Region name equals, we're just going to say US East 1. Run it. Test storage connection. test storage connection. Where the fuck are we doing this? Oh, this one here, test connection. That's also good. Test connection. Okay, I think this now should pass ideally. There we go. We're good. Now I can go back to just run that thing in entirety, and then hopefully it should be good. Greetings, you questionably ethical Turk. Bro. How are we doing, Nick? Storage client. Okay, storage utils client. What you doing, Nick? Okay, I think this file is entirely good because there's nothing else here. The other test that is failing is